Hello, I'm Desiree, and this is my arts exhibition focusing on the theme of motherhood. I was initially captivated by the ways in which modern society lauds the notion of fertility and beautifies pregnancy. However, the reality and miasma of psychological and physical pain engendered through motherhood are often underrepresented. Thus, many women suffer from misconceptions and unrealistic expectations of motherhood, postpartum recovery, and the female's body's inevitable changes. Being the oldest from a family of 5 children, I've watched my mother throughout all her pregnancies. I was able to acknowledge that being a mother is more than the title's assumptions bring. The journey is an emulsion of extreme emotions, challenging both the physical perception of attractivity and self-esteem. Thus, in essence, my exhibit explores the beauty, the hardships, and both the physical and psychological growth throughout pregnancy and postpartum life, praising the imperfections in the journey of self-acceptance. I aim to portray a mother as an embodiment of the virtues of strength, femininity, and resilience. Motherhood is portrayed as more than a state of consciousness. It comprises the ability to withstand the stereotypical, uncompromising notions of beauty and attractivity. As one enters the exhibition, the viewer is directly confronted with the physical growth of the child in the womb, finding themselves on a journey throughout motherhood. Often, the strength of the female body to care, nurture, and create a baby is underestimated, as one struggles to imagine the embryo's size throughout development. Thus, the sculptures in my exhibition exemplify the baby's physical growth internally, while the acrylic paintings depict the baby bump externally at 10 months, honoring the female body and its strength and accentuating a mother's inexplicable love and devotion for her unborn child. The viewer is exposed to motherhood being much more than all the pain and exhaustion linked to pregnancy and postpartum recovery. Being a mother is an honor, an unexplainable love for a self-created soul. Hence, I want to confront the audience and make them feel valued and accepted by accentuating the true beauty and complexity of maternity using various materials from actual diapers, clay, to acrylic paint and chalk. Furthermore, gold leaf portraying the delicacy and tenderness of the mother-child relationship and the juxtaposition between the beauty and the challenges of motherhood is a recurring element within all my pieces, all honoring the female body, its identity, and its resilience.